Hi there. So we've finished the tour of One Oak Grove, and I really like this building. It's so cute. It's just recently built. It's really pretty, and it just does everything that it does pretty well. I did want to take a look at the garage and just share a final few comments with you. So let's walk inside the garage just so you can see it. And there's a little bit of guest parking that doesn't require a key fob, and this is more for future residents, and then it's kind of in there. There's probably about 8 to 10 spots. But really, this is the private parking that is only for residents. So this gate slides, and I saw somebody do it just then, and they came up, the gate seemed to slide super quick, and then they went in, and then they were gone. So that's it. It's a really wide, as you can see, so can easily fit 2 cars if needed to go in and out at the same time. This is very, very, very wide. So great access. And by the way, here's someone coming in now, so you can actually see it. You'll be able to see it, see them coming out. So since there's not anybody here, see what it's like. So they just pushed it. Look how fast this is going out. So it works great, pretty easy, and pretty simple. Okay, I'm just gonna get more of this view out here, and just so you can see what it's like. It's just a great area. Listen, this is a perfect apartment if you're wanting to be walking distance to the West Village, but then maybe just be just a little away from it, so you can kind of have rest and sleep at night and less noise, but then walk to the fun whenever you want. And it's just right over there, literally just right over there, and on the other side of this Walgreens, and you're on McKinney Avenue. So just a fantastic location, and I highly recommend this apartment. I want to encourage you to go to our website at Uptown 101. Go to uptown101.com and sign up for our 100% free apartment service. You'll have a local expert like myself or somebody else that's with me, and we will help you find the absolute perfect place in Uptown, Victory Park, or nearby for you. We'll find it quickly, we'll make sure it fits your needs, and it's 100% free service. So check us out, sign up for that search. Again, it's uptown101.com/search, and we'll get you started and taken care of quickly. Also, check out the additional videos that we have of other apartments and other attractions in the area as well. We love taking pictures of and photos and videos of attractions that are nearby, so that you can see why you'd want to move to a certain area. Like, we've taken video of the West Village, we've taken video of the trolley, we've taken videos of other areas of Uptown, of Victory Park, the American Airlines Center. So check out those videos too. They just will highlight great attractions that you'll be able to enjoy, and those are all available on our YouTube channel and on uptown101.com. Hey, you have a wonderful day, and look forward to seeing you in Uptown.